In a lush, green jungle filled with singing birds, flowing streams, and tall trees, lived a ferocious lion who called himself the king of the jungle. He was strong, proud, and cruel, so powerful that no animal dared to speak against him. Every single day, this lion would go out and kill not just one, but several animals, sometimes for food, and often just to show his strength. The entire jungle trembled in fear. One day, the animals gathered in secret. "If we don't stop him," said the wise old owl, "there will be no one left." So they came up with a desperate plan. Every day, one animal would go to the lion as his meal, and in return, the lion would promise not to kill anyone else. Surprisingly, the lion agreed. He loved the idea of food coming to him without effort. Days passed. Then came the turn of a little rabbit. He was the smallest of all the animals, but also the wisest. Instead of being scared, he walked slowly on purpose and reached the lion very late. The lion, already hungry and angry, roared so loudly that the trees shook. "Why are you late?" he demanded. Calmly, the rabbit replied, "Oh, great lion, I was coming with 4 other rabbits, but on the way, another lion attacked us and claimed to be the real king of the jungle. He ate the others, but I escaped to tell you." The lion's eyes blazed with fury. "Another lion? In my jungle?" he growled. "Take me to him now." The rabbit led the lion deep into the forest where an old stone well stood. Pointing into the water, the rabbit said, "He is hiding in there." When the lion looked down, he saw his own reflection in the water, but he thought it was another lion staring back at him. The lion roared, and his own echo came back, louder and angrier. Believing it was a challenge, he roared again, more fiercely. Then, filled with rage and pride, the lion leaped into the well to attack his imaginary enemy, and with a loud splash, he drowned. The rabbit smiled and returned to the jungle. When the animals heard what had happened, they danced with joy, clapped their paws and wings, and celebrated the bravery and cleverness of the tiny rabbit who had saved them all. From that day forward, the jungle lived in peace, and the clever rabbit was remembered as the true hero who defeated a mighty lion, not with power, but with pure intelligence. Moral: even the smallest creature can defeat the greatest enemy with courage, cleverness, and calm thinking.